Good morning. Welcome guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rahul in Wanderland. My name is Rahul. So there is this group known as Adventure Adda. They organized this cycling tour and I am in Coorg right now. As you can see behind me, that's the farmhouse, or that's the cottage where we will be staying tonight. We just reached here in the morning at 5 and freshened up, and now we are going to have breakfast, coffee, and then we were going to leave from here for cycling. So this is a wonderful place. Show you this. The beauty of this place is they also give this cottage for families or any individuals who want to come, even if they are not a part of the group. So I will give you some more information about this in my coming vlog, like how you can reach here and whom you can contact, the contact numbers, how safe is this place, which season or which month is the best to come, etc. So wait and watch till the time I'll go and have my breakfast. Take care. Right now I am at a place here where you can see there's a water stream here. It's a beautiful, can you hear that sound? That's our cottage there. That's a new one. And this is all the area, volleyball. I'll show you later. It's the most beautiful place in Karnataka I have ever visited. Guys, this is our cottage. There are 2 rooms here, and in each room there are 3 beds. There is no electricity here, so there are 3 beds, chair, 1 water filter and 1 toilet. No electricity, that's the wonder of this place, and second wonder is there is no mobile network. The view from the cottage, there is a water stream there. Our group waiting for the breakfast. Mountains, feels like as if we are in Manali. The only thing is there is no snow. The view of the cottage from outside, such a beautiful cottage, cute one, and that's the new one that they have built. So the another interesting thing which the owner of this place or the homestay told us is that this is the border of Karnataka. That side is Wayanad. If you go walking towards that side, where we'll go tomorrow maybe for trekking, for a small trek, I think that side he told that it's Wayanad. So beautiful, Karnataka Kerala border, and we are amidst beauty. Bird sounds, water stream, nature, no mobile, no electricity, no TV. Isn't it beautiful, guys? the school has not been opened for many months now, I guess, because looking at the dust, all the rooms are locked. There's a well there, there's a toilets, there are some rooms, but I don't think it's been open for a long time. So our cycling ride was very hard. There were a lot of uphills, a lot of downhills, but we made it. So uphill, obviously it's hard, but downhill was very hard because you have to have control on your brakes on your cycle and make sure that if a vehicle is coming from the opposite direction, you need to control your cycle. But overall, we all 11 of us made it. Everyone is assembled over there and waiting for the instructions from the organizers, and we'll head from there. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 and today was a long day for us. We did 50k cycling and now we are at Harangi backwaters. So beautiful it is, as you can see. So we did cycling today. We went to Polybetta, we went to Titimati forest, we went through a lot of coffee estates, tea estates. It was superb, it was mind blowing. I loved it. We all enjoyed it. So it's almost the end of day 2. Now we'll be heading from Harangi backwaters to Bangalore. We have the bus ready there and we'll reach Bangalore by like 10:30. So it's been wonderful 2 days. It's been wonderful 2 days in Coorg cycling. We enjoyed everything. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. Take care, keep smiling and be happy.